Good afternoon, students. Now, our next topic under crop production management is cropping pattern. Now, what do we mean by cropping pattern? Maximum profit, maximum profit should be obtained from the available land. Means whatever land is present, whatever land, this much land suppose I am having. So I should get the maximum profit from this land. Maximum profit from this land. So for this purpose, crops can be grown in a different ways. Clear? That is termed as cropping pattern. Now first is mixed cropping. See, in mixed cropping, two or more crops are grown on a same piece of land. See, like if I am having this land, suppose I have taken wheat and gram, or I can take wheat plus mustard. Clear? So I have taken both these seeds and I have sown in this field. That will be termed as mixed cropping. Now what are the advantages? It will increase or we can say it will improve soil fertility. Now chances of pest infestation means chances of crops to be damaged by the pest will be reduced. Clear? And it also reduces the failure of the crop. And okay, any one of the crop, it will reduce the failure of the crop. So in this, what we are doing, we have taken two or more seeds we have taken, and collectively we are growing in one field. Now see, next is intercropping. There is very minute difference between mixed cropping and intercropping. See, in this, what we are doing, in the same field of, I am growing two or more crops in the same field, but in a definite pattern. Here no pattern, collectively I have just thrown all the seeds in a field. Clear? I have sown. No, I have not grown one line of wheat, then gram. No, there is no pattern. Collectively I have mixed the seeds and sown in the field. Now in this intercropping, again I am taking two or more. I can take soya bean and maize, or I can take bajra and lobia. Clear? Many combinations are there. So suppose I have taken soya bean and maize. So one row I am growing of soya bean, second of maize, then again soya bean, next. So in a sequence, in a pattern I am growing that. Clear? One row of one crop alternate with few rows of the other. Clear? So regularly in a definite pattern I am growing. Now how these crops are selected? These crops are selected on the basis of nutrient requirement. Most important thing. Both these plants, or we can say both these crops, should have different nutrient requirements. Clear? Both these crops should have different nutrient requirement. So how does it help? It ensures the maximum utilization of nutrients. So simple thing. If I am growing same crop in a field, they are using same type of minerals. Clear? Suppose any crop I have grown which requires more of magnesium, more of nitrogen, so that particular field will be deficient in magnesium and nitrogen, and rest other minerals will be in large quantity. But in the same field, I am taking two or more different crops in which one take magnesium and nitrogen and other take potassium and phosphorus. So what will happen? There will be no shortage of nutrients. And second thing, the whatever nutrients are present in the soil can be utilized by the crops. Clear? So there will be maximum nutrients from the soil will be utilized by the crop. Now, next advantage is it prevents diseases to spread to all plants. If same crop is grown in a field, if one plant get affected from any disease, it affects the other also. But in this, we are using different crop, so it will prevent the disease to spread to all plants. So the crop will not be destroyed and we will get benefit, and it will maintain the soil fertility. It will maintain soil fertility. Clear? Now next is crop rotation. Now crop rotation, already you must have heard also. What is crop rotation? Different crops are grown on a same field but in a pre-plant succession. Clear? Different crops are grown in the same field but in a pre-plant succession. Clear? The crops to be chosen depends upon the availability of moisture and irrigation facility. Means whatever crops I am choosing, obviously it will depends upon the irrigation facility, and it also depends upon the duration. Clear? It depends upon the duration of crops. See what happened in this field. I have grown one crop. After first crop is harvested, then I am going to grow second. And once this clear, so what happened? I have grown one crop, and once it is harvested, first crop is harvested, I am going to sow the second crop, and now once this is harvested, I can grow the third one. In this way, two or more crops can be grown in a year, which will increase the production. Obviously, see, since I am growing 3 different types of crops in my field, so it will increase the or maintain the soil fertility. Since same piece of land in 1 year only I am using 3 types of crops, so production is increased, and 3 different types of crops are there. 3 different types of crops are there, so their requirements of nutrients will be different. So there will be no shortage of nutrients. There will be no shortage of nutrients. Clear? So these are the 3 different cropping patterns which we follow for the crop production, enhancing the crop production, increasing the crop production. Clear?